Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ghazi Khan Jatoi from BBA 2K17, Sindh University Campus Ladkana. My topic is Business Research Methods, assignment by Sir Azhar Ali Shah. Outline 1. Business Research Methods, definition, importance, 2 types of research, 3 role of business research, 4 importance of research. Business Research Methods. Business research methods, definition. Business research methods include many ways of gathering information about an industry. It is combination or the opportunities available that are relevant to conduct research. Some methods include scoring in internet, collection data at the library, interview customer, running, sharing, and focus group. Each types of research is pros and cons, so it's important to be aware of all the variation and their application. Business research definition. Business research is a process of collecting details information of all the areas of business and using such information in maximizing the sales and profit of the business. Such a study helps combination determine which product service is most profitable or in demand. In simple words, it can be started is the creation of information or knowledge for professional or communication purpose to determine opportunities and goals for a business. You need business research methods. Using business research methods allow you as a business owner startup opportunities, even would-be interviews to make smart choice before real money is on the line. Think of it testing foot that and before scaling a mountain. Blending faith can cost you everything if you take the wrong step, and moving forward the programming and can take you to the summit. Importance of business research. Business research helps business understand the customer, buying partners, performance and pain points, gain deeper into the customer, current market trend and demographic, using effective studies to understand the demand and supply of the market. Business can always stay ahead of the competition. Using business research, they can reduce cost and design solution that aim at the market demand and their target audience. Importance of business research. Chances of failures are less with business research as it gives a product and division with the help understand of brand value. Business can customer improve to meet consumer requirement. This is to go marketing, share and revenues. The SWOT analysis in business research is circle to make information decision and making the business a success. Research is the building block of any business. It acts as their marketing. So ever understand to the value of marketing. Research leveraging is the benefits to give in extra agent to your business. 2 types research. Quantification business research. It is the method of analysis to the large group that methods needs your target goals. It uses methods technological data explanation importance states about your business and marketing usually and data that multimedia choice question and can help your be practical and your sales for qualification research can answer question within answer. Are you customer aware of the service or products your offer? How many people are interested in buying your product of services? How are you best customer and what are their buying habits? How long they visitor stays your and which their page? The result of qualification business research is in the numbers of from such as 40 of customer rate the product and customer 17 of promotion customers use the internet to book their hotel room. 6 out 10 customer will be now food product after typing the free stock sample. The qualification research method include relation service and the position telephone out online and free to fix. Types of research. Cultivate business research. The business research factors in attitudes, invital and helping qualification research include question such as why or how. The aim of the research is to gain heights in customer distance, behaviors and response new product. This research is beneficial your product and marketing intuitive test recons and recent your opportunity. You can collect qualities data using common methods such as case study, focus group and interviews. This data is often valuable but can be time consumer and expensive to collect, especially for a small business or a startup. Benefits of business research. Business research helps you communicate with current and customers in a better way. It helps you identification and theirs in the marketplace. It helps you minimize risk. Business research is used to plan investment functional outcomes efficiently. It helps you build to better market position. It can keep you updated with current trend and innovation in the market. 3. Role of business research. Market the right decision is an ideal place in any business whenever the organization economics problem. A good organization primary research to resolve the circling their business such as customer satisfaction, production, customer complaints and new government policies affecting that industries. Role of business research. Decision making process requires system and organized efforts to investment, especially problem in a business setting. The first step on closing that problem is not definitionally then main issues that require further investment. The next steps are indefinitely factors with the problem, gather the relevant information, analyzes data, interpret output and provide the recommending to the manager for his decision making. It simply means that the decision making process comprise a series of steps, decision, and explanation with the goal of getting the best solution to the problem faced by the organization. Continued. Actually, the interview process is which the manager attempt to solve their problem is the steps including research project. The research definition in the previous section suggests that research involved the process of innovation examination need to be definition objectively and equally order. This the result of research would be function which would help the manager to deal with the real session. Therefore, we can definition business research in organization systems inquiry incoming the problem and understand with the purpose of finding the best solution to a problem. In innovation research function should be able to clearly all amazing solution and problem in research. The embellish circular the problem addressed in terms of research question. For importance of research. Research whether you love it or hate it, you need to be finding out the facts about your assignment, your job, your life will allow you to make better decision and give more knowledge. In fact, the more research you do, the more can you do your life. Learning basic research skills is something that is lost is in many educational system. While students are often told how to find information, the internet to become the place most people first in order find and fact they need thought in the internet valuable tool. It is not only research skill a person needs in order to find facts. Using basic research methods can help you not only find the information you need but also find information that you can trust. Importance of research. More fact carbonation. When you find a fact reference source that is spotted another reference source, you can be issues that fact you are using your business paper or assignment in increase more viewpoints. The more response you are use, the our views you will can customer during your topic explanation. The allows you to consume more ideas than the original one you may have been assignment. More fact when you use more research skill and source, you will be able to gain more facts for your fine project. Larger forms of understanding. Because different research source offer different kind information, you can be different ways to understand your topic depending on the manner in which you need a present your finding. Gain knowledge quickly. If you need prepare for a presentation or test, you want to be also find fact about your topic quickly. With basic research skill, you will be find what you need properly. Conclusion. We use the journal research for journeying new idea knowledge, and we are using various research methods like applied research, business research, scientification, reason, action research for the expression of new ideas and to solve the problem in business sector. We can either now knowledge and ideas that is a basic research or to slow expectation problem organization business sectors. Thank you.